Okay, so I wrote a new poem. It's called Letter to My Mama. I haven't memorized it yet, so I'm gonna read it off the paper. And the beat that it goes to is Drake Crew Love, so it's not, I don't own the beat, it's Drake's. And so here it goes. Okay, I'm so tired of all this drama. I just wanted to be close to you, mama. I miss you so much. It's driving me crazy. I know you miss me too, cause I was your baby. I cried the other day. Yeah, I shed tears. It hasn't been months, mama, it's been years. I'm not mad at you though, cause I know you can't afford me. I'm just glad you decided not to abort me. I want you to know that I'm not a bad child. All I ever wanted was for you to be proud. One thing I won't forget is what happened on that night when they took me away. You sure put up a good fight. You ran in my room and you held me tight. You said CPS is here and you started to cry. And when they came in, you tried to fight the cops. They were pulling me away from you and didn't want to stop. But when you got tired and gave up your rights, did you know that I cried every single night? I always fight in foster homes. I hate it. Do you see the smile on my face? I fake it. Why? To hide how I truly feel. I wake up every day wishing this feeling wasn't real. I know you live poor, but I don't care. I would rather live with you than in foster care. I miss you.